So in C, we have a previously transformed function into a new transformed function. So this is a little bit difficult, so we have to make sure we're careful in doing this. So we're going to start with the y's. So the first thing I want to do is match those coefficients. Okay, so to match those coefficients, what I need to do is I'm going to need to multiply the original y by, this is my new y. The original y has to be multiplied by -3 to get the -3 there. And I need to divide by 2 to get rid of that times 2. Okay, so once I do that, I need to match the shift. Now, we have to be careful because that 2/3 here has to be applied onto that +4, because we're going to multiply the original function by -3/2. So that gives me a shift position of -6. But I don't want -6, I want -1. So to match that, I have to do +5. Okay, so that gets my -6 into the right position of -1. So that's my y transformation. I do the expansion first and then match my shift after. Okay, the shift is easier to match than the expansion compression. Okay, so that's the x's, that's the y's. The x's are more complicated because I have a already shifted position and I need to get it to a new shifted position. Now, there is an easier strategy to do this, and I could just do it like this. So if I change an x, I can set it up this way because my notation, that's going to be my new x. Okay, and I want to get it from my old x, which came from 4x minus 2. This is all my notation. And if I want to find my transformation from old to new, I can solve for the x new. And the reason why it works is this, is because this notation of times 4 minus 2 actually gets rid of the transformation that was on there. Okay, because it's actually a +2 transformation. Well, the -2 is going to get rid of that. It's actually a divide by 4. So this is actually, the times 4 is actually going to undo that. So this actually gets us, this expression actually gets us back to our original state. And then this expression to the left is going to be what I want to undo or solve for. So I'm going to end up with, this is going to be -6. So 4x minus 6, and then I'm going to divide by -2. And I can then, simplify this transformation. I can just say that we horizontally expand and flip, and then we're going to shift to the right 3. And so there is our x transformation. And the strategy I use is make the function notation equal to each other and solve for the x new, okay, or the x in the new expression.